Are you dreaming of scoring a Band 9 in IELTS speaking? In this video, I'm going to show you a complete Band 9 IELTS speaking test, including Part 1, Part 2, and Part 3, with detailed explanations on why each answer achieves that top score. If you want to sound natural, confident, and fluent like a native speaker, make sure you watch this till the very end, because I'll also share my Band 9 speaking secrets that most students never get to hear. Let's jump right in. First up, Part 1, the introduction and interview. This is where you make your first impression. Let's see how our Band 9 candidate handles it. The examiner asks, "What is your full name?" The candidate replies, "My full name is Zubair Ahmad, but you can call me Zubair," a simple, friendly, and direct start. Next, "Where are you from?" The candidate says, "I'm from Lahore, one of the most vibrant and historic cities in Pakistan. It's famous for its food, culture, and warm-hearted people." Notice how he doesn't just say Lahore, he adds a little extra detail that paints a picture and shows off his vocabulary. Then the examiner asks, "Do you work or study?" The candidate answers, "Currently, I'm working as an English instructor. I enjoy helping students achieve their goals, especially those preparing for IELTS, because I've been through that journey myself." This is a fantastic answer because it's personal and relevant. Finally, "Do you like music?" The candidate says, "Definitely. I listen to music almost every day. It helps me relax and boosts my mood. I particularly enjoy soft acoustic songs because they're calming and meaningful." So, why are these answers Band 9? Notice how the candidate gives natural, extended responses. They aren't too short, but they're not long, memorized speeches either. The tone is conversational, the vocabulary is advanced but feels natural, and there's no hesitation. This is exactly what examiners love to see. Now, let's move on to Part 2, the cue card. The candidate has 1 minute to prepare and then needs to speak for up to 2 minutes. The topic is, describe a person who inspires you. Let's listen to the response. "One person who truly inspires me is Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla and SpaceX. I admire him not just for his intelligence, but for his determination to change the world. He has faced numerous challenges, financial crises, public criticism, even failure, yet he keeps going. What I find most inspiring is his vision for the future. He doesn't just dream, he executes those dreams with precision and courage. I first learned about him when I watched an interview a few years ago, and since then, I've been following his journey closely. His mindset reminds me that innovation always comes from persistence. In short, Elon Musk inspires me to think bigger, work harder, and never give up, no matter how tough life gets." This response is a masterclass. It flows naturally and confidently. The candidate uses excellent topic-specific vocabulary like determination, innovation, and persistence. The structure is crystal clear. He introduces the person, gives details and examples, reflects on why he's inspiring, and provides a strong conclusion. It shows a genuine emotional connection and personal insight, which is key for a top score. Next up, Part 3, the follow-up questions. This is where you show your ability to discuss topics in more depth. The examiner asks, "Why do people admire famous personalities?" The candidate replies, "I think people look up to famous personalities because they represent success, resilience, and confidence. It's human nature to admire qualities we want to develop in ourselves." A great, well-reasoned answer. Next question. "Do you think children should have role models?" The candidate says, "Absolutely. Having role models helps children shape their values and ambitions. However, I believe parents should ensure those role models promote positive traits like kindness and hard work." He agrees, but then adds a thoughtful condition. This shows nuance. Final question. "Can ordinary people inspire others?" The candidate answers, "Without a doubt. Inspiration doesn't always come from celebrities. Sometimes, it's the teacher who encourages you, or a friend who supports you when you need it most." Notice how each answer is cohesive and reflective. The candidate consistently gives reasons, examples, and opinions, which is a hallmark of a Band 9 performance. So there you have it, a complete Band 9 IELTS speaking test with detailed explanations. If you want to reach Band 9, remember these 3 golden rules. First, keep your answers natural and fluent. Don't memorize scripts. Second, use a mix of advanced but natural vocabulary. And third, always explain your ideas clearly, just like you're having a friendly conversation. Now I have a question for you. Comment below. Which part of the test do you find most difficult? Part 1, 2, or 3? I'd love to help you improve in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you never miss any of our IELTS lessons. Thanks for watching.